Okay, welcome once again. As you can see, this is corset, fixing your corset on a princess dart. That is what I want to do today. So, as you can see, I have ironed my princess dart and put a fold in place for this outside to be neat. So, it is how to fix your corset now so that it will stand when the person puts it on. That is what I want to do now. So, all you need to do is to pin down, but before you pin down, you indicate your waistline, which is your under bust line. So you can see I normally notched my under bust to indicate that that is the line. So that is what I have here. So I went ahead to put a shock down. If you can see closely, there is a shock here to indicate that this is my under bust, which I rail down like this. So that is what I want to show you. So all you need to do now, your corset, if you put it like this, you know that this is your up part and this is your down part for your corset. And your corset, you can put it like this and you can shift it like this. So this way I want to shift it a bit like this because of this my line which I have here for my neck. You know, I told you I have a serious work to do for this spaghetti strap dress. That is what I want to make now. So don't worry, when I'm done with this, I will post the picture of the outcome for you to see. So for you to get it now, since we are not using like this as normal, we still need this our underboss to be in place. So I'm just going to shift it a bit so it can be able to sit well. And I'll go ahead to keep a space for my sewing around because I'm going to turn this with my lining. So I will make sure there is a space for me to be able to turn in. So don't forget this your underboss. It should be in place like that. So all I need to do now is to get your midpoint. So you can see my hand is already on the midpoint of my log. I'm just checking if it is sitting well. So this is it. What I need to do now is to pin it. This is very easy. Just pay close attention. If you don't understand, watch again. So after I am done pinning this one, I'll come over to this other part to pin down. So I will still use the same process which I used to do the other one to do this one also. So you can see me locating the underbust. It's very important for you to get your underbust. So you can see what I'm trying to do. Here should be in place. You can see these points should face each other. So it is very easy. Just go ahead to look for your midpoint, your center, to get your center. That is what I'm trying to do now. From the underbrush to my center. And I'm going to pin down. I want to pin it down so that it does not shift away from the midpoint. It should sit there because that is my target to get my midpoint. So this is not in place, so I'm going to just take your time to do this. Don't be in a haste to go so that you don't make silly errors. So what I want to do for this corset is to chain it down. That is what it is being called, chain. I want to do a chaining to chain it down. Don't worry, I'll just show you how to go about your chaining. So all you need to do is to get your thread and your needle put together just like this. Make sure you tie this under. So all you need to do now is to, from this your under bust now, is to take it like this. So I'm going to take it 2 times, after once like this. So it is tight. So this one now, I bring this one out. Just pay close attention. Make sure it does not appear outside when doing this. So once that one is out, this is what I have here. So you can see what I have here now. Just pay close attention to what I want to do now. You can see me bringing this one in, dragging it out. So you can see this was the one I brought in. I'm still going to bring it in again and take this one out. So I'm going to do this 7 times. So I have done 2 already. 5 to go. 3. Make sure it is tight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 7 now. I'll go in to tie it and bring it out in. You can see what I have now. So what we have here now is a chain. Once you have done this, if you look closely, you will see it's a line that comes out like a chain. Go ahead to do yours and see how it looks. So what I will do now is to take it from this my underbust which I have here. Take it in like this. I know you might ask, why am I doing it like this? The reason why I want to do it like this, so that when the person puts it on, she can be able to dress it to fit on her bust properly. But if you tack it down very tight, it will not be flexible to move. So this makes it to move. So I'm going ahead to make sure it is tight. Going ahead to tighten it. Then tie it again. Make sure it is not too tight so that you don't tear off your corset. So when you are done with that, you come over to the upper part. So you can see this is the upper part. Make sure it does not appear outside, as you can see. So when it's tight, we go again with our chain. Pay close attention to what I want to do. Pay close attention. I want to take it slowly. You can see what I have here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then bring the needle in. So you can see we have our chain. You can see what I'm doing. So this is it. So you can see what we have here. Let me show you why I did it like that. So you go ahead to do the other part. I don't want to waste much of your time. Do it the same way. You can see. So when she puts it on, she look to free it like this. Let me do the other part and show you how it looks. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. In terms of adjusting, when the person puts it on, we'll adjust it like this. You can see the outcome of what you make. So don't worry, I promise to share the video with you just once it is finished. Let's not put it on.